my car, fatty.
Right! This is my car! And I'm not fat, it's glandular!
Right. You've got to tell them the truth, Marge! The truth!
Hello? Anyone home?
Oh, hi, Marge. Guess we gave you quite a start. We were painting Todd's room red. Pretty messy work. And then we came out here to take a break. Must have dozed off.
Red room, over there. Well, I'm just glad you're okay. And I have something to tell you.
Stop it!
Come on, let's hear that snap.
You...
Ow!
You're
Ow!
going
Ow!
down,
Ow!
punk!
Whoa, this is so dangerous.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh,
Oh, don't!
What the... This is Wiggum reporting at 3:18. Waking a police officer. This is the murder house?
You mean the infamous jealous Jackie murders?
Of course. This must be where he dropped the dagger. And this is the butler's pantry where Mrs. Astor concealed herself. And right here's where they found the torso heap in front of our very own fireplace.
Oh, just think, Nettie. We're part of Springfield history.
Look, Daddy, I'm the jealous jockey. I'm a torso.
I'm glad you're not mad, but I lied to you, and I won't feel right until I return your deposit.
We appreciate the offer, Marge, but I think we're going to be very happy here. Marge, still got that deposit check?
Oh, wow. Lucky thing we landed on this bubble wrap.
Hey, quit hogging.
oh, I'm badly hurt.
A smashed hot rod, a wrecked police cruiser, a destroyed house. I've had it with your renegade ways, Simpson. You're a loose cannon.
But
And what really fries me is you returned his check.
I'm sorry, Mr. Hutz, but I just can't lie to people.
You're one of a kind, Marge.